Today we're taking a look at the Inside Club Track 7-day super deal sale from Harbor Freight. That's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, here's the ITC deal I did not see coming. Once I saw this, I was like, man, I got to make a video about this and let you guys know. They have a 7-day super deal going on, and there's a few items in here that are really worth looking at. So that's what we're going to take a look at today, so let's get started. Starting it off here, we got the one that everybody's probably looking forward the most if you need wrenches, is going to be the Icon Anti-Slip Grip Professional SAE combination wrench set. This is 14 piece. You're looking at $129.99 normally. You're going to be getting it for $64.99, saving you 65% off. And as you can see here, this is the same thing for the metric. Now, I know somebody's going to ask because I've been getting a lot of questions about this. So we're going to click onto this real quick. And we're going to go into specifications, and we're going to see if there's any skips on this, because I've had a lot of people ask me that. And I'm going to go down to the metric here, because usually I work on cars and that's what I deal with the most. So we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There you go. There is no skips on it. The only thing I would like to see is I just bought a Capri set at the end of last year, and my Capri set goes up to like 22 or 24, but it is a price a little bit more than this, and it definitely ain't nowhere near the price of this sale. Then the next thing we got here is the Vulcan 205 industrial welder with 120 or 240 volt input. Normally $11.99.99. You're getting it for ITC price. Gotta love it. $8.99.99, saving you $300. Not a bad deal at all on that. Then we got a Badlands Apex 5,500 pound UTV long drum winch with synthetic rope. Normally $269.99. ITC is going to get it for $189.99, saving you $80. Not too bad of a deal on that. Now, starting off this row, we got the Icon half-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. $149.99 normally. You're getting it for $99.99, saving you $50. Once again, not a bad deal. This would be something I'd be looking at, but I prefer the beam-styled ones. I got a Capri one, but if I didn't have that Capri, I might be looking at this one. Then next up here, we got a Chiefs Professional Air Hammer Chisel Set. 6-piece, normally $64.99. You're getting it for $29.99, saving you 53% off. As of right now, everything we've gone through, I would snag the Icon wrenches, and I would definitely snag these up. This little piece right here, if you guys do hub bearings at all, this is a very nice piece to have to put on the hub bearing to try to break the rust loose on it. This is something I definitely need to get my hands on, so I'm going to be eyeballing that one. Then we got a Bauer 3/16 to 1 3/8 inch number 4 black oxide step drill bit set. You got a 12 set, and then you got a number 5 11 step. Normally $39.99. You are getting it for $9.99, saving you 66% off. That is a smoking deal on that. And then we got a Hallmaster 700 pound capacity 1 1/4 inch by 16 foot ratcheting tie down 2-pack. $16.99 normally. Look at this inside track, $7.99, saving you 52% off. That is a smoking deal on those also. Starting off this row, we got the Spectrum Premium HVLP gravity feed air spray gun with the side fan control. Now the only difference between this two, this one is a 1.7 millimeter nozzle, this one's a 1.3 millimeter nozzle on it. Both of these are going to be $119.99 normally. ITC is going to get it for $79.99. That is saving you $40. That's a pretty dang good deal on that. Then we got another Icon 3/4 drive 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. Normally $399.99. You're getting it for $299.99, saving you $100. Next up here, we have an Icon 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjustable plier wrench. This one's normally $19.99. This is $12.99, saving you 35% off. Now, I actually have one right here. And when I bought this one, I bought it for 30% off when they just had the last $20 and under for 30% off. That was a better, or this is a better deal than what I paid for it when I got it. I haven't got to use it yet, so I don't know to tell you guys how it works or not. But when they have deals like that, I figure sooner or later I might need this, and I like getting it on sale. Now is a better time to get this thing on sale. Now that's everything that's on sale for the ITC 7-day super deal sale going on from February 20th to February 26th. Also, don't forget there is another deal going on here right now. This one is February 20th through the 22nd, in-store only. You can get the Predator Generator Days deal going on where you get 20% off of the generators. Plus, if you buy any of the accessories, like the covers or the wheel kits, you get 25% off on that. That's not a bad deal either if you guys are looking at generators. So there you go. There is the Inside Track 7-day sale that's going on. Like I always say, it's always worth being Inside Track. It's $30 a year. I think it's like $42 or something like that if you do it in store for 2 years. Great opportunity to save money, even though you got to spend a little money, because then you can get deals like this. The one I would snag up personally, if I could, would be, or if I needed, would be the Icon wrenches. That is a heck of a deal, but I just picked up a set of Capri combination wrenches at the end of last year, so I don't need no wrenches right now, but there is some good deals down there, and I want to know what you guys want. Leave a comment down below. I like hearing from you guys. So as always, don't forget to check the link out down below. Down there I'll have my link tree that does have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.